Coach, first off, congratulations on the win.
Thank you.
Can you talk about the difference between the first half and the second half, in your opinion?
I think it was the character on the floor, and players started to smile on the floor. We was talking about it in the locker room. Hey guys, listen, we are working. I see that the faces that we are tired, but we are not smiling on the floor. Hey, enjoy every single stop, enjoy everything in basket. We made a small adjustment that we has been practicing, between games a little bit, and I think the effort was there, and I can see today players really enjoying playing basketball. I think this is the more important part of this game, to have fun playing.
Can you talk about how important your new additions are? Pablo had a great third quarter, and this team seems to be finally gelling correctly.
Still time to fit all of them together, especially in rotation. We are trying to find different lineups, different solutions, and adjust from game to game. But of course, today, if I want to say just one thing, is about the fight. It was just amazing. I think it was one of the games that more fight in the season, and hopefully we are going to keep this from now and so on.
Take this to the next game, maybe.
Yeah, just game by game, fight every game all the way to the end.
All right, congratulations.
Thank you very much.